Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located here in Los Angeles, California. I'm auditioning for the role of the host. Adult dating isn't easy, and it sure doesn't get easier as you age. I've swiped by many people, matched with a few hundred, tried my shot at harmony, and went fishing in the big sea and found plenty of disappointment. When is a dating app going to actually help me find what I want to find? I want to know the person on the other end of the line is real. I want to know the picture is accurate. I don't have time to waste. I don't want just another hookup. I want something real. I want something unfiltered. Adult dating is not an easy transition for most people. We interviewed hundreds of people and realized that most adults that are seeking a meaningful relationship struggle to navigate all that comes with that. We cater to people with real lives and real life challenges: work, career, kids, soccer practice, and piano lessons. We created an app that filters in as much real as possible to allow for efficiency and transparency. Hey, good to see you. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you, John?
I'm good. I've been busy, to be honest. I'm glad we're able to make some time to see each other on here. You look great.
Thanks. It's kind of weird. I'm still not used to it, just, not being able to see each other in person, but I guess this is the best we can do right now, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest. I was on some of the other dating apps, as I'm sure you are as well, and I feel like this one seems like the most real. I don't know. Do you feel the same way?
Um, Actually, this is the only app that I use right now. Just, sort of to keep my life as simple as possible.
Cool.
Yeah, I like it so far, and I'm glad that we got to connect.